Okay, I'm reviewing this swivel mirror. It swivels well, but it'll also stay stopped. It'll stop in any position you want it to easily. It seems sturdy and well made. We've had it for a while now, several months, have had no issues with it. I definitely see things very close with the mirrored side. It's hard to show you that with the camera. Or maybe that does show you well. My hand is pretty much in the same spot for both of those. And that, my hand takes up almost the whole mirror. That, my hand takes up very little of the mirror. So yeah, you need a swivel mirror that tilts very easily. This could be the mirror for you. If you would like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We would get a small commission. It really helps us out. Thanks.